Let's switch gears a little and move on to another subject that is extremely near and dear to my heart, the protection of modern applications. While Veeam's data resilience pedigree was founded on industry-leading native protection for virtualized environments almost 20 years ago, today, Veeam is also the leader in protecting modern applications being built on cloud-native technologies. These modern applications demand a modern data resilience solution, and we continue to drive innovation in this space. As an example of this, users love Veeam Kasten for Kubernetes for its application-centric, zero-trust security approach to backup, recovery, and disaster recovery for all the cloud-native applications. That includes applications where state lives either inside or outside of the cluster, whether they're on-premises or in the cloud, and across the broadest ecosystem of Kubernetes distributions, storage, and clouds. Coming full circle now, we've also seen a rise in modern virtualization, running virtual machines on Kubernetes alongside cloud-native applications on containers. Our customer obsession means we've also been quick to respond to this trend. We've already delivered support for Red Hat OpenShift virtualization, and Veeam Kasten 7.5 promises expanded support for OpenShift virtualization, as well as adding support for other upstream KubeVirt projects.